How to make a total list on Microsoft Excel. Hello guys, so what you have to do to create and make total list is by going to the app. Now this is the home page. As you can see right here, go to the top corner and click on this little icon, and then it will take you to this page. All what you have to do is go down until you find total list option. Now as you can see, this is the ready template. Click on it and it will take you directly to this page, and here you can edit all these stuff only by clicking easily. And after you finish, click here in the top corner and click save. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end.